Let's connect with Nirav Chadha as well as Kunal Bothra, our chartist this morning. Kunal, hi there. What's the sense that you're getting given now we are seeing, FIIs having turned net sellers, the rest of the globe as well isn't looking all too promising all in all. How are you reading into the trade setup for this morning? What are you penciling in for the index, and share with us your top ideas?
So good morning, Avan. I believe last week was a bit of a chop and churn week for the markets because at one point when the markets opened with strong up moves, Bank Nifty specifically opened previous week at the 25,000 mark. It met with a lot of circumspect and I would say profit booking on the indices. You saw some profit booking in the large cap names, large cap sectors as well, like the auto stocks specifically. I think the likes of Hero MotoCorp, Bajaj Auto, many of these stocks which were leader stocks in terms of rallies. Even these stocks have gone through a bit of correction. But I believe that this is more to do with profit booking for many of the sectors because of the unabated rally these stocks have seen, these sectors had seen. I think there was a point where the profit booking had to come across into these names. So I would probably look at it that as of now that the first signals are more of profit booking. Now the reversal could probably start off if the indices break back below their 200 moving average, which is still quite some distance away. And that even in that regards, you would probably want to see the kind of sector composition deteriorating significantly. So we're not seeing those kind of signs on the markets as of now, and we still believe that maybe over the next couple of days, even if there's a gradual cool off to the indices, it could be more towards profit booking rather than more towards a sharp reversals. In that regards, I would initiate one buy and one sell for the trades today. The first one apparently is a sell on ICICI Pru. Many of the insurance stocks, they've confirmed swing breakdowns on the short-term charts. So over the last 1 to 2 weeks, these stocks have formed a pattern of lower highs and lower lows on the short-term charts, and I'm expecting that probably these stocks can go through one more round of a gradual correction over the next couple of days. So ICICI Pru is a sell, targets to be kept at 410 and stop us at 426. The second is from the IT pack. Now, I for one believe that even if the markets go through a bit of a choppy phase, there would be some defensive names, the ITs or some of the FMCG stocks. They could probably try and support the market. What they have been doing in terms of characteristics over the last few months. So I believe TCS, which did pretty well for itself even on Friday, I think should make a strong comeback again. So I'm expecting the stock to do pretty well. A buy on TCS, recommending a buy on TCS with targets of 2,380 and stop us at 2260.
There you have it. That's the view coming in from Kunal. A sell on ICICI Pru, a buy recommendation on TCS. Nirav, let's understand what exactly you're working with for the markets. Do you believe that now we're likely to see some sort of a decisive turn in momentum? And you've got two buy recommendations, I see.
Yeah. Good morning to all. Definitely, I concur with what Kunal said. This is generally profit booking which is coming. I look at open interest very closely. So at this point of time, Nifty only has about 1 crore of open interest. So don't think, Nifty is very high on open interest at this point of time. For Nifty to fall further or probably, witness a big fall, you need high open interest. Generally what happens is whenever the open interest is filled in with brim. So when Nifty is about 2 crore of open interest, that is when you see certain amount of selling coming in, and that selling stays. I don't believe this selling is likely to stay. Having said that, yes, there is a engulf kind of bearish engulf kind of a formation on the weekly, and that is why buying defensive stocks would be better at this point of time. We might just open lower, but in the second half, I believe we will witness certain amount of buying, which can take the index higher. Also most of the stocks higher. So looking at that, I believe two stocks should be bought. The first one is a buy on Asian Paints. It has witnessed a long-term breakout above the 1880 odd levels, and it has retested the same in the last week. I believe this stock can now move up towards the 2040 levels after having retested the same. You can buy the stock at current levels, place a stop loss of 1920, and this should be on a closing basis. The target should be 2040. The second stock is a buy call on IGL. See, this stock has been consolidating for quite some time now. I believe the time is right to buy this stock. Again, it retested its previous low of around 390 odd. So one can buy at current levels with a stop loss of 390. It can go up toward the 420 odd levels, which is where the selling had come for this stock.